Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily stock market, and we are seeing more red in the stock market. What we're going to do today is we're going to go over some stocks that dropped a little bit, but the main part of the video is going to be a cryptocurrency update. So if you like the full cryptocurrency updates, make sure you stay to the end of the video and throughout the full video. So we have a lot of different stocks down. Not every stock is down 10% like Robinhood and DIDI, but a lot of stocks are down 2%, 3%, and 4% on the day. Here we see Nvidia is actually up 4%, so that's interesting. Wynn, you'll actually see right here, is at $88 per share. They're down 8% on the week, 11% on the month, and 30% in the last 3 months. So they're getting to a pretty attractive point. Maybe even considering a put on Wynn, going down to past 88, close. You actually can see a support here is like 86. So if they go down that low, they can easily go back to the territory of 75 or below $80 per share. Robinhood is also down 10% on the day, and after hours another 0.5%, up 17% on the month. Remember that he had that huge rise, up 85%, but now it looks like they are bleeding out, down 8% on them. So it might be interesting to do a put option on Robinhood, but that's very dangerous to do just because they are in meme stock territory right now, and you never really want to bet against meme stocks. But the thing is, it looks like there's a lot of downward momentum. It has no clear support, so it could easily go below even $38 per share. Now, we were talking last week, too, that puts might be a good idea if we continue to see downward momentum in the stock market, and we're seeing red downward momentum continue. So if you want to take out some puts, it might be a good idea to make some money, especially if you're leveraged heavy in some of these positions that are going down. For example, if you own like 100 shares of NEO and it just keeps falling, or if you own 1,000 shares of ChargePoint or even 100 shares of ChargePoint, it might be a good idea to take out a put while it goes down. Now, ChargePoint's not the best example because it shows a strong support. You can actually see that it's hit several times in the past, right at that $20 mark. So there's a very good chance that it bounces off the support and heads back up. But these other ones that don't have a clear support, or their supports are lower than what they are currently at right now. NEO is another bad example because you can see the support right at $35 hits constantly right at $35. So it could be a good time to buy. It could dip down to a little bit more, closer to $31 or $30 per share. So there is a lot of uncertainty in the stock market right now, especially with the war in Afghanistan going on. And in addition with that, the COVID Delta variant is so a lot of uncertainty right now, but you can definitely take advantage and buy the dip. If you don't trade options, the first thing you do is buy the dip, or you can even ride the put options, buying put options and ride the stocks down a little bit, downward momentum. We have BABA down to $161. Wow. So the question is, how low will BABA go? Down 24% in the last 3 months and down 38% in the year. I think that this will be a great recovery stock, and it's going to be bouncing back extremely hard, above $200 per share and well into $250 per share for BABA. It might take a little bit longer, 6 to 12 months, but if you hold and buy the dip, I think you can definitely reap the benefits and rewards from BABA. Now, Wix is a stock that we've been talking a lot about on the close friends list and on the YouTube lately as well, up 6% on the day. And you can see that they play with a support and resistance pretty often too. They always fall and then they shoot back up time and time again. They shot up right here. They shot up in between these two lines. They shot up right here, and they fall consistently too. And every time they fall, what happens? They always return back to the price they were at. So Wix is a great swing trade. They have some positive momentum. Just be careful with them because they already rose 3%, 5% on the day. So they can obviously have a pullback, especially with how red the market is currently in the downward momentum. You definitely don't want to try to be timing the bottom too much. You want to buy a comfortable amount. So just continue to buy a comfortable amount. Don't over leverage yourself is very important. Also, make sure you keep 10 to 20% in cash. okay, or even 30% if you're super bearish on the stock market. I have $50,000 in my account, so for example, 20% would be $10,000 in cash or cash equivalents. 30% would be $15,000. All right, so I do definitely have 20,000, even 30,000. So I'm a little bit more cash heavy right now, so I can definitely buy the dip. So let's talk about cryptocurrency. Here we can see it heating up. We have Litecoin up 4%, Ethereum up almost 6%, Ethereum Classic up the same, Dogecoin up 5.5%, Bitcoin up 5%. So what's going on? People have mixed opinion on what's going to happen with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Right now, it's on a pretty good trend, and it looks like it's going to keep it up too. I probably have around $30,000 to actually closer to $50,000 in cryptocurrency, so I'm not in a rush to load up my position anymore. But if Bitcoin goes closer to 35,000 or even 30,000 again, that's going to be a great entry point for me. Now on Robinhood, I only have $400 of Bitcoin, up 46%. I have a majority of my holdings on my Coinbase account. My Dogecoin, I have $386, and you can see it's at 31 cents, almost at 32 cents now. So I think that Dogecoin can go up closer to 40 cents or even 35 cents. I think it's a great place to start taking profits, because Dogecoin is one of those that goes up very high. If you see it go up 20%, 10% in one day or just a few hours, you might want to take some profits, because typically it always dips once it rallies like 15% in a day or 20% in a day. So that's just interesting to think about. Now, Ethereum, people are saying that Ethereum is going to take over Bitcoin in market cap. So that'll be interesting to see if Ethereum becomes the dominant cryptocurrency like a year from now or 2 years from now, to keep your eye on Ethereum. So you definitely want to be buying Ethereum, because they can outpace Bitcoin in the long term. And I think around $1,800 all the way up to $2,400 is a good buy for Ethereum. And that's where I want to be loading up more of my Ethereum. We had a 54% gain on Ethereum. I sold most of my position. And as you can actually see, I have $35,000 just on my Coinbase account. All right, that's not even including my Coinbase Pro account or anything like that. In one day, just today, we went up from 32,000 to 35,000 in one day. So we made almost $3,000 in just one profile, just on the day. And that's just from the crypto market going up only 5%. Okay, you can see some of my highest positions: $5,000 in Ethereum, $5,000 in Bitcoin, $5,000 in Cardano, $4,000 in the Litecoin. So if we continue to see the crypto markets rally 10%, 15%, 20%, you're going to see me a very, very happy person and doing a lot more giveaways, because we have a lot of money in cryptocurrency. $35,000 just on my Coinbase account, and we're up $3,000 just from a 5% movement in cryptocurrency. Here you can actually see some of the other ones. Cardano is up 13%. They're at $2.37. So they are at new all-time highs now. $2.44 they even hit a little bit earlier. Stellar Lumens is up 7%. Verge is up 7%. Sushi Swap's up 13%. So there's a great day for the crypto market. A lot of coins are up. 1inch is up 10%. And some of the biggest movers, OMG coin, which I own. Let's see how much I own of them. I actually own only $248, but they're up 22% today. ICP is a good one I own. I have $855 of them, and they are up 15%. So I hope you guys did enjoy that video, and I hope you took into account some of these strategies to make some money while the stock market is turning red. Remember, put options is a great thing to consider, and also buying the dip and holding. Buying the dip slowly. Don't buy too fast. Keep some cash around is another great thing you can do during the dip, and your account will be rewarded in the future if you continue to do these things. All right, guys, make sure you share this video with a friend if you think they can find some awesome value in it. Smash the thumbs up button. Comment below what videos you want to see next from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.